channel, and today in this video, as you read by the title, we are playing our childhood games. So yes, we played these games back then when we were like little, and now these like lockdown made us play these games again. So we are really excited playing these games after a long time and recording our reaction and what is our thoughts now. And if you used to play these games too, so comment down below. And without any further ado, let's get started with the video. So the first game we are going to be playing is Tomppabeats, and this is like our childhood game, one of our favorite games. So and we used to play this a lot back then, but then during this lockdown we also played it a little bit, and this is the only game we actually played during this lockdown. So yes, let's get started with the game, and we are so this is already downloaded because like as we said before, we played this game during this lockdown, so this is downloaded in our laptop already. So let's just go and play, and we have our rank ready, and we have a new customer unlocked right now, and the game is just starting with the day 11. So this is the game where a customer comes to you and order the stuff you have to make and take the order. So we are taking the order. I really love the animation and the graphics of this video game, and I love this. So we have to go to the build station to build everything up and select the medium cup. And the key thing is that you need to just like go onto the green thing, and you have to take the good and awesome or excellent. Oh. You guys will be like, you are playing this game since childhood and now you don't know. You should have been like pros with this game. But as we said, we are playing this game after a long time, and we played it during lockdown, so we are not that much pro in this game, but we know the basics of the game. So let's go to build station and then these chocolates. Maybe our blender thing will be ready, so we have to go to the next station and let's see if it's ready. We can put the alarms on. We bought the alarms in the store, so we have the alarms. I also have the like kind of thingy that can boost your. So let's just put the alarm on. And another customer is here, so we're gonna take. I actually kind of remember the orders of the customer. I kind of remember the orders of the customer, and now I'm like, oh, this person always gives really, oh my god, our mixed station is just like, it's over blended. Oh my god. So let's just go to the topping station. This is our first order, and let's get it ready. Like, I am a really bad barista. Let's just put the toppings, and you can see like, but first let's go to the mix station and let's just stop our check. No, it's gonna be fine. You just just drag the chicken right there, and it's a kind of risky thing. She gave me some good points, and that is great. Like $4.70. Now I'm gonna do the other top mix station, and we are into the mix station, and it is also over blended. Like, what the heck is happening? A little over blended because I don't mind it being over blended. I'm gonna just like nail the toppings, and then we have to sprinkle some sprinkles. Rainbow sprinkles are the best thing ever. And cherry. Yes, we have two customers left. We have to make the third order. We are really bad at this. Like, I got one, and I can't speak. 32 points because this customer was our golden customer, and she used to come. Let's just take the orders first, I guess, but I don't know. So that is it for the game, and we are going to be moving on to the next game. So the next game we are playing is Hot Dog Bush, and this is the game like we were like not sure about because we were like we were not able to remember the like name of the game, so we were like, what was the game in which we used to make the hot dogs? I felt like it was like American hot dog or something like that because like it has American flag and all that stuff. So yes, we thought that. So let's get started with this game. Let's just play this game. So they're saying that click on the buttons to place them right there and place these sausages right there. I don't really remember this game. I remember one thing from this game that it used to be a thief in the game who used to like steal the like hot dog kind of thingy, and you have to catch the thief too. So okay, yeah, I remember that thing, and it used to be so difficult, and I don't know. Now so our hot dog is ready. We have to pour some. Oh my god, that customer is just getting angry. So we have to collect our money because otherwise the thieves are going to be stealing that thing. This person looks like you can all of them wants ketchup. So yes. Oh my god, this game is really difficult because everyone gets angry so fast. So we have to make like hot dogs really quickly because everyone gets like mad. And the hot dogs get burned so early. Oh my gosh, this lady is just getting angry just to feed them. This man is also getting angry. Oh my gosh, like people are getting angry. And if you don't collect the money, I don't think so other customer comes. Hi, Grandma. I'm not too sure if I'm playing this game right. I think. Oh my gosh, we are so bad at like cooking. So this is what it is because like. I don't know which customer arrived first. This grandma, I guess. This one. The lady seems to be like about to get angry. Oh my god, this guy is getting angry too. Oh my god. Why are they getting angry so soon? We have to like make the oh my god, he ran away. Just give him burnt. Just give him like uncooked hot dogs. We used to play this back then because it's like really difficult and everyone is getting angry so soon. I mean, so we're done with this game like day one. You failed to meet the target. Oh my gosh, like this game is so difficult because like yeah, we failed so fast. We failed it. Okay, no problem. We needed 150 and we earned 147 and we failed to achieve the target. So yes, that was the game. And so now the next game we are playing is our phone. It's by far our favorite game. And yes. This is the Incredible Jack on your phone, but like this is named as Jumpin' Jack on TV. And we used to play this game on our computer. So back then our father downloaded this game for us, and we were addicted to this game. Like all of our family loved this game. And yes, back then the name was like Jumping Jack, but now it is Incredible Jack. So and I used to remember his like family, wife, and his children. Yes. His children and his wife got kidnapped by a like I don't know evil person. So we have to save them, but he has a lot of children, and we have to go and save them. This guy right here, he kidnapped all of his family, and he's a demon, and he took away all the wealth of the Jack. So they began to sling the coins, and when Jack came home, like they also like stole his money. Yes. And now we have to play the game. So you have to like jump over this like oh my god worms, and you get like good points, and this is so satisfying when you jump over like these things. You have to just break all these barriers. I think we should play this game more in lockdown too. I need to. This was, I think, the only game that we completed. Yes. Yes, we defeated the devil. Can just jump over these trees, which are devil trees. So you have 3 more life left only, and these are bombs. You have to just jump over them and just run away. So it will kill these. Like, oh my gosh! We are, oh my gosh, like, save me. Not save me, like, we'll retry. I'll play this game, like, these ads, let's just game, so let's get started with the game. Yeah, you have to, like, do this, like, we forgot the game completely. Like, not completely, but, like, most of the parts. Oh my gosh. Let's just break the barriers because like his money is all in these boxes, so he has to like get his money back. Oh my gosh, you have like how much lives are left? Oh my gosh, yes. My heart. Yes, you have to like pick these hearts up so you get some new lives. Yeah, we got another heart. We have 2 hearts now, and let's just throw them onto the worms. And oh my gosh, let's just move back, and let's just go over there. So these are the things to just jump onto this thing, and you can see like the flower blooms when he comes. Yeah. Oh my gosh. So yes, this is a thing. You have to just break it like by doing this, jumping, and you have to. It also have a bamboo copter. Like in some other levels, you get a bamboo copter, like a helicopter that catches onto your head, and you can just fly with it. Just break the bomb and just kill the trees. Here he's meeting his son. Yay! Happy ending. And son, Dad, demons. Yeah, they were demons, and they grabbed us and put us in a sack. But we left a trail of coins, so you could find us. Yeah, they're like really intelligent. So that was it for the game right now. And this game, trust us, is amazing. And so you have to download this. Out of 10 recommended this game to you guys. So you have to download it and play this game and tell us how you like felt about this game. So the next game we are playing is Penguin Dinner 2. And this is a really nice game. We used to play it a lot, and like let's just continue. And you have to like give dinners to the penguins, and you have to earn the money and like improve. Our target is like $70, so you have to earn maximum $70 in order to get a star. So yes, the customer comes like. Yeah, you have to like click the customer and then click on the seat you want the customer to be seated. So yes. Yeah, this sound of penguins. Hello. It's like so cute. So cute. Yes. You have to like click on everything and click on the customer, click on the seat, click on the table to collect the like we have earned $9, our first payment thing. We were like pro in this game, and this was like so cute. And still we are like one of our favorite games. Like all of them are like our favorite game except for like the hot dog one. We don't really like that one. So yes, the ice cream is ready. So yes, this thing are like $36. Right now we have $36. Give them the lemonade, like give him his lemonade. Lemonade. They get angry too, but now we are proud, so yes. So to give her the cake. Hello. This game is literally so good. I will definitely recommend you guys to try this game because this is so good. Like, this is thumbs up for this game. So the shop
used to be closed at like 9 o'clock and sharp.
So yes, and we have earned $81, which is really great because like we had to earn maximum $70,
and still we have a lot of customers right in the store, in the restaurant. So
I think so we'll earn like over $100.
If so, I will be so happy.
Oh my gosh, yes, we have earned $108, and they are saying great news. The restaurant is a hit. Yes, the restaurant is a hit, so we have earned a star too. So you can see like in catalog we have all
like
that
skates.
stuff. Like
the skates help the penny to serve faster, and you can see you have like tables, chairs, we have like
chefs,
we have like
entertainment stuff, we have TVs, we have like decorations,
and
we have like a party thing. Like this is a theme, you can just get a party theme. We have to earn 5-star maximum to get this. So that was it for this game right now, and yes. So that was it for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you did so, make sure to give it a big thumbs up, and also subscribe down below and turn the notification bell on so you will be notified every time we post a new video. And also our previous videos are linked in the description box down below or in the icon right here. So yes, and we'll catch you guys later in our next video. Till then, peace out.